Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. The hydraulic brace is truly ingenious and efficient. It's not only used for difficult trees, but also very useful for straight trees, especially large timber. The installation of the brace is quick and easy. I really like the guiding sliding fingers of the brace. It's genius. The Germans are really excellent at this. Watching the man cutting down a large tree and using the hydraulic brace to split the base and let the tree fall is truly impressive. Arborco's palm tree relocation project in Essendon, Melbourne, is truly amazing. I never thought it was possible to move such a large tree without causing any harm. It is impressive to see the skill and precision applied to ensure the tree survives during the relocation process. This really showcases Arborco's expertise in tree care and relocation. The video is very interesting. It shows us that even if you own professional tools like the Stihl MS 661 chainsaw, it doesn't mean you always have to use them for every situation. Sometimes climbing the tree and cutting it into smaller sections is safer and more efficient, especially with leaning and complex trees like this pine. It's a valuable lesson. The video is very interesting, and I really enjoy the aerial shots. The incredible perspectives that we can't see from the ground provide a completely different feel. This is the third installment in the From Start to Finish series by Vaughan Brothers Lumber, and it truly showcases the entire lumber milling process at their Colville plant. Hold on tight and see if you can keep up with this tour. At the Waller's Forsttechnik Süd demonstration day in Germany, the Ponce Scorpion King with the H7 cutting head made a powerful impression. Witnessing this machine operate smoothly and efficiently, viewers couldn't help but feel excited. The Scorpion King not only showcased superior strength, but also demonstrated advanced technology and innovative design. With its precise and powerful handling capabilities, this is truly an admirable machine in the forestry industry, bringing joy and satisfaction to all attendees. The Morbark 3400 XGT is truly an incredible machine when it comes to grinding reclaimed wood. Equipped with an 800 horsepower Cat C 18 diesel engine, it operates with immense power and efficiency. Witnessing the sight of large logs being ground into small pieces, one can't help but admire the superior strength and remarkable performance of the Morbark 3400 XT. This machine is a testament to the perfect combination of modern technology and expert operation skills. The Dennis CMAF mulcher attachment for excavators is truly a fantastic solution for vegetation control, land clearing, road maintenance, transmission line and pipeline maintenance, as well as wildfire prevention. These machines operate powerfully and efficiently, making it easy to handle dense vegetation. This is an essential tool for anyone needing strength and reliability in land clearing and management tasks. The homemade log truck is tirelessly working through muddy and swampy conditions. Despite the challenging terrain ahead, the truck persistently loads large logs onto its bed. When faced with a particularly deep mud pit and unable to move forward, the operator skillfully unloads all the logs to overcome the obstacle. The Komatsu 911 with the C123 911.6 cutting head is effectively handling wood infested with beetles. Watching the machine operate in the forest, you can feel the power and precision in every move. The Komatsu 911 not only easily processes damaged trees, but also ensures high-quality work. This is truly a reliable tool, providing peace of mind and efficiency for foresters in maintaining the health of the forest. The PrimeTech PT600 with the FAE 500 U225 mulching head is performing an impressive job of removing almond trees in California. Watching this machine effortlessly mulch and process the almond trees is truly admirable. The PT600 operates smoothly, transforming sturdy tree trunks into wood chips in no time. The strength and efficiency of this machine are remarkable. This homemade firewood processor is truly impressive. Equipped with a Detroit diesel 453 engine, it operates very powerfully. The cutting and splitting process is incredibly efficient. This video really showcases the ingenuity and excellent craftsmanship of the builder. In a gigantic wood processing factory, there is an impressive yet very dangerous scene. A man is operating a massive saw, cutting 60-foot long logs into thin slices. Every time the sharp blade touches the wood, he is not protected by any safety equipment. He even manually pushes the logs into the conveyor belt after cutting and cleans up the saw in front of the large active blade. Watching this, I can't help but feel anxious, but I also truly admire his professionalism and skilled expertise. While this job might be familiar to him, it is extremely hazardous. The Volvo FH16 is truly a symbol of power and versatility. Watching it glide through the narrow, empty passageways between buildings with the trailer folded was already astonishing. showcasing the driver's incredible handling skills. But when the truck returned fully loaded with logs, the aerial shots capturing the entire process left me utterly mesmerized. The driver's exceptional control and patience were truly remarkable, leaving me in awe and admiration. Scierie du Le Mans must be extremely proud to have such a top-notch transportation system. The Ponce Ergo C5 with its H7 cutting head is performing an impressive task as it fells a giant tree in southern Germany. Witnessing this machine handle a massive spruce with a volume of 6.1 cubic meters without bark is truly awe-inspiring. The Ponce Ergo C5 not only demonstrates superior performance, but also exemplifies cutting-edge technology in the forestry industry. This scene leaves viewers in admiration of the machine's ability to conquer such formidable challenges with strength and precision. Amid the snow-covered landscape of Finland, the Rajamäki firewood processor is carrying out an impressive task. With the ability to grip and handle 11-meter-long logs with a diameter of 420 millimeters, the machine easily cuts and splits the logs into 18 pieces. The beautiful scenery of falling snow highlights the power and efficiency of the Rajamäki, transforming the arduous work of winter into a smooth and remarkable process. The fastest whole tree harvester in the world is truly a marvel of modern technology. The machine not only effortlessly fells large trees, but also quickly processes them into smaller sections, optimizing the harvesting process. Wow, this wood processing machine with its hydraulic cutter and splitter is truly incredible. It's undoubtedly the best wood splitting and processing machine I've ever seen. The design is exceptionally innovative and efficient, combining a powerful hydraulic cutting system with a high-performance wood splitter, making heavy-duty tasks remarkably easier. He should definitely consider patenting this masterpiece and starting a business right away. It's genuinely an admirable piece of engineering. The Pezzolato PTH 1300-1500s M drum wood chipper, equipped with a 12-cylinder Caterpillar engine boasting 1150 horsepower, is truly a colossal and powerful machine. Mounted on a trailer and featuring a discharge conveyor, the PTH 1300-1500M represents a perfect fusion of advanced technology and superior power. Watching it in action, one cannot help but be amazed at its ability to quickly and efficiently chip large logs. This machine is an ideal choice for heavy-duty forestry tasks, delivering the highest levels of performance and user satisfaction. The long-body Scania R540, equipped by Fahrzeugbau Kramer, is truly a pinnacle of engineering excellence. Featuring a coordinated seating system paired with the Dahl A700 and a blue Palfinger Epsilon S270L crane, This truck is not only powerful, but also aesthetically harmonious. The FG57X grapple, combined with a 9.8-meter crane, offers impressive operational capabilities, effortlessly handling large logs. Maus Holztransporte, in operation since 1896, has demonstrated resilience and professionalism over the decades. And with such modern equipment, they continue to solidify their position in the industry. The homemade Sages Paltautomet firewood processor is a remarkable testament to creativity and craftsmanship. Watching large logs being cut and split into small firewood pieces in an instant is truly awe-inspiring, showcasing the skillful hands of the creator. The machine operates smoothly and powerfully, transforming a heavy-duty task into an effortless and efficient process. This is indeed a proud achievement, bringing joy and satisfaction to every moment of work. The Demonio 2300 mulcher paired with the Challenger MT 665D is truly a perfect duo for forest management. With a working width of 2.3 meters and a processing depth of up to 40 centimeters, this machine operates powerfully and efficiently, turning tree trunks and hard soil into small fragments. Watching the Demonio 2300 and Challenger MT 665D effortlessly handle the forest is astonishing and inspiring, showcasing their immense power and capability. At Holzwerke, Ledenberger in Kirkingen, Germany, the Crosswood wood profiling line is operating at full capacity. With advanced technology, each piece of wood is processed through precise and efficient production steps, transforming raw logs into high-quality finished products. The harmonious coordination between people and machinery at the factory not only ensures superior quality, but also optimizes the production process, creating wood products that meet high standards and stringent market demands. Transporting wood during the warm winter of 2006 was truly a challenging ordeal. With the ground and forest streams not frozen, the transport vehicles had to face muddy and hazardous terrain conditions. In such circumstances, drivers and forestry workers had to work extremely hard to ensure the job was completed on schedule, overcoming the harsh challenges posed by nature. The sawmill handling rough logs 5.20 meters long is a vivid testament to the marvels of the wood processing industry. Watching these large logs being cut with precision and speed, one cannot help but be amazed at the power and efficiency of this machine. The perfect blend of technology and machinery has transformed the arduous task into a smooth and easy process, bringing joy and satisfaction to the sawyer. The Valmet 840.3 is transporting logs along a muddy, challenging road with the skilled control of its operator. Despite the difficult and swampy conditions, the machine moves forward powerfully, gripping large logs with precision and efficiency. Witnessing this scene, one cannot help but admire the operator's excellent skills and the outstanding capabilities of the Valmet 840.3. The 1952 Alice Chalmers HD-20 bulldozer, powered by a Detroit Diesel 6 with a 110 engine, is undertaking a formidable task, toppling a massive bur oak tree with a diameter of 5 feet, and a canopy spanning over 50 feet. Watching the 45,000 pounds machine push and dig around to break the roots, one cannot help but admire its power and endurance. This process truly demands skill and patience, as it requires creating a slope to leverage the force needed to bring the tree down. In the majestic setting of the lush forest, the Palfinger Epsilon M12L crane is showcasing its strength and finesse. The crane operator, with precise and delicate movements, carefully lifts each large log, arranging them neatly and orderly onto the truck bed. Every time the crane moves, it is a perfect display of the harmonious combination between human skill and machinery, leaving viewers in awe of the efficiency and elegance in this work. The LKT-81 is showcasing extraordinary power as it hauls large logs in the forest. It's hard to believe that an old machine can handle such demanding work. Watching this scene, one can't help but feel admiration for the durability and superior capabilities of the LKT-81. It proves that, even after many years, quality machinery can still accomplish challenging tasks with excellence. A man proudly uses a tree puller he built himself for the first time. With 2 wheels and sturdy welded steel bars, although the welds are not aesthetically pleasing, they are very effective. Attached to a small trailer, he is in a lush forest setting, tying a log to the device with a chain and easily pulling it along. This is a wonderful testament to human creativity and the ability to make things independently. This homemade wood splitter is truly a remarkable creation for handling large logs like birch on the farm. The ability to adjust the size of the wood by pushing the lever more or less provides flexibility and convenience. The dual pump system and electric valve package allow the machine to automatically switch between high and low speeds, with a capacity of 3 tons at high speed and 9 tons at low speed, delivering impressive performance. The Posh Split Master. 35 Wood Splitter is a special device with a horizontal design on a wheeled frame, integrated with its own lift system. With a splitting force of up to 35 tons, this wood splitter demonstrates superior power, making wood splitting quick and easy. It is the ideal tool for those who need to process large amounts of wood efficiently and conveniently. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.